What's up, guys? We got some... Ooh, there's the gate slamming. We got some seriously heavy winds going on right now. So, we're gonna give her a test, see how we can fly. See if I can actually pull up the weather here for a second. Yeah, 24 kilometers per hour. It's actually coming down gusts of 42, so that's pretty fucking hardcore. See if we can make it down to even just the river and back.
Take off.
We're flying the DJI Air 2S.
Home point updated.
Seems to hover pretty solid. This is again in normal mode. We can always bump it up if we have to. That was just a pretty fat gust, and we got nothing happening yet. I think we're gonna have a pretty solid flight. Got some more height. I'm gonna stand up with the controller, move back, because then typically I get a better connection. And right over top of the water is gonna be our strongest wind gusts. You're looking across at Belle Isle, which is American owned. So because of the big channel here, that is the Detroit River, you get the winds whip along the water. You can see the ripples in the water. And the wind is typically 10 to 15 miles per hour faster over the water than it is in the city. There's Belle Isle. So we made it up and over the United States of America. Okay, now let's get her home. we are actually blowing sideways there without me turning it sideways, so we are feeling the wind for sure. Get you guys a good shot of the river. Beautiful. Should be able to hear it coming in here in just a minute. It's supposed to be a big ass thunderstorm rolling in. Those are some serious gust winds, and the fucking drone's just chilling. Whoa, can't see. Put a hand touch.